And here we are, last but least, with that special surprise I spoke about earlier in the show. I'm here with Deborah Cooper and her associate, Sophie, and they have come up with a fabulous new concept on how we can spend our days, and it's called Daycation Today. Welcome, ladies. I'm so excited to have you here and to learn about this great new idea you have. Deborah, tell me a little about this.
We're really excited, Emmy. You know, we see so many busy women, working moms, and we thought to ourselves, the days go into the weeks go into the months, and what have we done for ourselves? We've gone to the cleaners, you know, we've gotten our kids into baseball or into ballet, but what have we done for ourselves? So we came up with the idea of Daycation Today, where we're offering 1 hour or 2 hours once a month for you to do something for yourself. So at least when you go pick up the kids, you feel like you accomplished something for yourself.
That's great. One of our earlier shows, I talked about me days, because we go through all the days doing all these things and we never get time for ourselves, and that, you're right, that certainly makes you feel a whole lot better when you get to the end of the day. So when did you start this great idea?
We just launched it September 17th, and our first offerings are going to be on October 6th to October 10th, and we're really excited because we're also not only offering women the opportunity to do something great for themselves, but we're bringing them into all the different wonderful towns we have. There's Berkeley Heights, there's Summit, there's Short Hills, there's Millburn, and we wanted women to explore these different areas, which we're calling destinations, and we're calling them daycationers, because we often find that people go into these towns and go, what is there to do there? Where can I eat there? What can I do there?
Right,
so we found all of it.
Absolutely. So Sophie, tell me what the things are you have planned for this first opening shot in October.
Absolutely. We have 10 different offerings, all the way from wellness services to excursions, like we're right here at Hilltop Bicycles for a bicycle tour. We have a tea tasting and an English-style lunch, which is in Morristown at the Cozy Cupboard Tea Room. We have spiritual healing, nutritional coaching, and a massage at Seraphim Wellness, which is in Westfield. We have this bicycle tour, which is going to go through the Great Swamp in New Jersey, which is an amazing park. And novice bike riders can be on this trip. We have a closet curation with somebody who used to work for Glamour magazine. She's unbelievable.
That's a great thing. That is worth the price of admission.
Exactly. It's going to be so fun. So she's going to come into your home, and this is very exclusive because it's only for 2 women. So she's going to come into your home and she's going to take out all that you don't wear anymore and just leave the clothes that make you feel good and make you feel happy to wear. Terrific. So that's really exciting.
Terrific. Now, let me just ask this. You said that's for 2 women. Some of the others are for more. How does that work? How do you sign up?
Here's how you sign up. Basically, we have 2 packages. One is a $50 package, which we call a 2-pack. Just letting somebody really understand what we're doing. So if they just wanted to try it out, they can do that. Our other package is a 10-pack. It's $195, so they get 10 daycations. They can take those 10 daycations in 1 month. They can take 1 a month, whatever they would like. But that's how it works, and then we just take the packs off every time they do a service. We've got over 80 slots for October, so there's 80 openings for somebody to do something really great for themselves.
So every month you will have something going on.
Absolutely. We're in our November offerings right now. We've got some really fun things coming up.
Terrific, terrific. Well, I'm very curious about this bike ride, since I'm kind of a novice bike rider myself. So let's take a minute and bring in Lisa from Hilltop Bikes to tell us a little bit about specifically what that will be. Lisa, hi. This is a great bike shop. I love it. So tell me about this ride. Tell me about the Great Swamp. Tell me about this ride. Let me know the particulars.
So in October, we're going to be having a women's cycling ride, a tour of the Great Swamp, which is in Morris County, New Jersey. And we're going to go on some back roads and enjoy some beautiful scenery, some fall scenery, and past farms. It is. And have a lovely ride together, 15 to 20 miles. So you have to be, I guess, have a little bit of an athletic base. We're going to leave from Hilltop Bicycles in Summit and go out there and come back and have some lunch at the Village Village Trattoria in town for salad pizza, which is delicious.
It is. It is the best salad pizza.
So we look forward to having a number of women come out with us, and we'll show them how to ride safely in a group, and just have a good time to socialize and again enjoy the beautiful scenery and what the Great Swamp has to offer.
And you obviously are supplying the bikes, so all they have to do is show up in appropriate clothing and ready to go?
Well, actually, we would prefer women bring their own bikes, but we're going to do a safety check on them here at the shop and make sure that they're in good working order. And we'll lead the ride. And I guess if someone needed to borrow a bike, we probably could manage that too.
That's great. But that's great. That's like an extra perk to me to have your bike checked out.
Absolutely.
Terrific. Okay, now that we have an overview of this wonderful new concept, how do people get in touch with you? How do they find out what's going on? How do they sign up?
Absolutely. It's so easy. They just go to our website at www.daycationtoday.com, and they just go to the Join In and Schedule Now page, and they log in and they're ready to go. And all they have to do is literally sign up and show up, because you know what? We want to give women a guilt-free day because they deserve it.
They do. They do deserve it. And the nice thing too is that you're now introducing them to things that are right in their own backyard.
Absolutely.
So once they get into this, they can go off with their girlfriends or get them to join them on a daycation today at some other point. Deborah, thank you so much for
Emmy.
chatting with us today. I'm very excited about this for you, and I will check back with you and find out how it goes. Thanks
Absolutely.
again.
Thank you.